welcome to DNA Bioscience. This is Suman, and today we'll be discussing about the process of succession. Before going in detail, let me discuss about what is called succession. So, ecological succession is the process of change in the species structure of an ecological community over time. So, you might have heard about the pioneer species, then the middle stages are the serial stages, and the stable, the self-sustaining final stages called the climax community. Correct. So let's discuss the steps that are involved in the process of the first is nutrition. What does it mean? It is the development of a bare site uninhabited by any organisms. So the environmental conditions are set up for the inhabitation of new species. For example, the secretion of acidic substances by lichen species helps in breakdown of the rocks into soil. The next is the invasion or the migration. So the process of invasion or migration helps the arrival of the seeds, spores, reproductive propagules for establishment of species. So mostly the art selected species are often the first colonizers due to their high reproductive rates and better dispersal mechanism. The next is this is the initial establishment or the initial growth of plant community. So this is the step where the plant community start establishing. Okay, so this is dependent on the soil structure, so it is also called as colonization, and gradually it tends to replacement of some species by others. And the next thing is competition. We have already discussed many times about the competition. The competition is mainly because of the resources such as food, water, or the shelter. So this process leads to the sharing of the resources, that is either resource partitioning or the competitive exclusion principle, where one species will get the benefit or win and the other species will lose. Okay, so the competition may be intra-specific or interspecific, we know that. And the next is the reaction. So during this phase, the autogenic changes such as the build-up of human affect the habitat, and one plant community replaces the another. And the last stage is the stabilization, that is the formation of or the establishment of the climax community, which is a mature, self-sustaining, stable community, and this is the final stage of succession. So let's discuss one question from CSR NET Life Sciences. Which one of the following is the correct sequential step in the complete process of primary ecological succession? So the first is nutrition, then competition and reaction. So this is not the case, because after nutrition there should be the migration of the spores or the seeds. Okay, so this is not the case. And second one is the invasion first the establishment of in bare area takes place, that is the nudation. So this is also wrong. So the correct answer is first is nudation, then invasion or migration, then competition and reaction, then the stabilization, which forms the climax community, which is self-sustaining, and the final stage of the succession. So I hope it makes sense to you, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more such videos. Thank you.